Hello, this is Dan Ennis with week 2 for immersive application deployment. This week we were implementing our immersive element and starting to think about our leaderboard. I might have misread something, but I thought we were doing leaderboard as well this week, so I was kind of a little busy trying to learn some code. So anyway, this week or this video is basically to talk about the leaderboards and what we plan on doing. So for my leaderboard, instead of creating my own website, my own place to harvest the data and post the data, we could use parse or something like that. Since last class we learned a little bit about parse, but it seems like game center is probably the way to go, just so you can implement your game into the world of other Apple games, and people are familiar with it. So I think that's the way to go. That's the way I plan on going. That's the way I did go on most of my leaderboard stuff that I've implemented already. So as far as filters, the only filter that I think, right now it's sorting obviously highest to lowest because the scoring for my game is progressive, and you accumulate points as you go. So the better you get, the more points you have. I think that's kind of where that's going to go as far as filtering, maybe regional, doing some sort of isolating it by, just the U.S. or something like that. I have to look a little bit into it. I was reading a little bit about it and trying to get familiar with what we actually what our options are for those. So for now, I think it will probably be just a regional type thing. And then I think we'll only have one leaderboard. I don't think there's a need for any more. I don't really have any levels. Well, I guess difficulty levels. So I don't think that's gonna. I think there's really no need for multiple leaderboards for this game. So we're just going to leave it with one. We'll have a high scores local leaderboard. So whoever's playing the game, it will show up, the top score or whatever. And then as you are using the app and some other, somebody else or whatever, there's also that leaderboard where people can see other people with scores. So between the local leaderboard and then the public leaderboard using Game Center, I don't think there's a need for any other leaderboard. So right now I'm signed in to my leaderboard, and you can actually see myself showing 14 points. The tricky thing here that I've noticed so far is I've got another account and I've played the game, but it's not posting here. And I did do something in my iTunes account for this app. I was trying to clear the data of the game center to start fresh for this video, and I don't know if this put this in a pending state or something like that, because before I was seeing multiple users and now I can't. So not sure what's going on there. I'm going to look into that. Maybe I'll find out over time. It says it takes about a day to delete the data, so we'll see what happens. Other than that, that's my video, week 2. Looking forward to week 3, since I might have some of it already done. So we'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.